Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy A7 Presents, we are bringing you Jeffree Star's Deluxe Summer 2019 Mystery Box. That's right, Jeffree Star's Mystery Box. Did he redeem himself after my semi-lousy premium box? If you haven't seen that already, I will link it down below. I will link it up here somewhere so you can check that out to see what I got there. But let me know, were you able to get this box? If you didn't, were you able to get any of the other ones? Comment down below, let me know. And before I get started on this unboxing, welcome. If you are new here, welcome, bienvenidos. And if you're coming back, thank you for coming back. I've been going through the gigs and I'm a little all over the place, so don't mind me. Anyway, thank you all for being here. I truly appreciate it. So if you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also that thumbs up, so that you know, all this engagement helps me out a lot. So I really appreciate it. So let's get started. I don't want to take too long on unboxing this because I know everybody wants to see what's in the box. What's in the box? So I have not opened this box yet, so I will go ahead and slice and dice this box to see what's in it. And I want to really see if he redeemed himself. I mean, I liked my last box. It was okay. I did like 2 things out of the whole entire box, so that was worth it to me. So for those of you that are not familiar with Jeffree Star, or maybe you are, the box was $70 for his mystery box. I know I got the last boxes in the winter time, the holiday box, and I was not impressed with his boxes. So when you open up the box, you see that it is pink inside and not his typical Jeffree Star logoed out tissue paper. This one's just pink. So let's dig in. I'm excited. Hopefully. Okay, I'm actually very happy with this box just by looking at a few items. So as you can see here, the inside of the box, and there seems to be like a theme in here. I see the pinks and like the standalone green, which is your mystery color. And let's get started. I'm so stoked. So the first item right off the bat is the straw. We do have a metal straw in here. It's a nice straw. I mean, would I pay $20 for 4 of them? Probably not. But again, that's Jeffree Star. And it is a reusable, it says cleaning brush. It says reusable straw plus cleaning brush. But there's no cleaning brush. Push it back. Rub a bit of soap onto the pipe cleaner until it gets sudsy. Huh. See, it says, or maybe I'm reading it wrong. I don't know. You tell me. It says reusable straw and cleaning brush. I don't know. Maybe it's separate. Whatever. We got ourselves a metal straw, which my daughter would be happy because she likes using metal straws. We have lots of them now. The second item we are pulling out is the pop socket, which is orange, which was also in the premium box. So there you go there. And that's worth about $10. The straw's worth about $5. But at the end of the video, I will list the pricing on the bottom because offhand, I don't know how much everything is worth. But for 70 bucks, you should have at least $140 worth of products in here. You do get 10 items inside the box, so it's about $7. It comes out to be about $7 a piece for each item. And I know offhand the lipsticks are $18. So with that being said, let's go on to the next one. So the next thing I am putting out is, not putting out, not putting out anything. The next item I am pulling out of the box is Androgyny lip liner. There we go. I only have 2 of his lip liners that I picked up at the MAC store here in Chicago. And let's get this started. So I always have a hard time trying to pull these out. Okay, so here we go. And we have ourselves a Androgyny. That's the pencil. It's a pretty pencil. I mean, you got to give it to him. He has great packaging, you know. And let's swatch Androgyny since, oh, okay, so it's like a mauve color. There it is right there. So I do see the theme now. The theme of the box is this this pink color. So that's actually good. I like that. Keeping that. I like his lip liners. They're creamy, so with any kind of creamy lip liner, they go fast, especially when you're sharpening and sharpening and sharpening. Anyway, let's go on to the next one. The next item we have in here is the Velour liquid lipstick in the color Diva, and that's the packaging. That is the color. I hope it's focusing. I already own this, so maybe I'll just pull it out just to see what it looks like. But I have this one. So here's the new one, and here's the one that I have. I have all his stuff right here in front of me. So this is Diva. This is what it's gonna look like, but I'm not gonna swatch the new one. So let's just open it, because I heard they were saying he's got all these fuzzy stuff, and he's got, I'd have no issues with his lipsticks in the last box. So this is the new one, Jeffree Star. It's funny because I put on pink nails without knowing what was inside the box. I have not seen any unboxings. And then I did the orange look in my eyes. And I just did orange because I know that seems to be like the theme right now with certain brands coming out with an orange palette. And then I forget there's an orange box and the pink inside. So I didn't plan it, but it happened. So that's Diva. This is the brand new one. I will swatch mine. So let's shake very well. Let's see if I haven't ruined mine yet. So that's Diva. That pink color there. I believe this is matte. This is a matte one. The next one we're pulling out is Poinsettia. Poinsettia. I already have Poinsettia. This is Poinsettia. This is what it looks like. This is mine. This is the one I'll be swatching, but I'm going to pull out that one anyway. But let me swatch this one. And this is what this looks like. I really like these. I think, what are these, like $18 a piece? Oh, girl, I'm really going through the gigs. You should see how I'm swatching this. I am not professional at all. Just threw it on there. Oh my God. Too funny. Okay, so that's Poinsettia. Excuse the colors. That's Poinsettia. So that's Poinsettia. Okay, and the next one, that's Poinsettia right there. That's the new one. Oh, you know what? Let me open it because I want to look. After I did my video on the premium, people were saying that he had hairy lipsticks. I opened up that lipstick that I didn't open up on camera, and no, there was no hair on it or anything. Okay, so yeah, it looks good. See, there you go. Poinsettia. That's the one from in here. I'm keeping that in there because I'm not opening it or swatching it, because then the countdown starts. Okay, so the next one is Mannequin, and that's packaging. God, I hope it's like focusing. I'm sorry if it doesn't. That's Mannequin there. Or my light's too bright. And let's open this. Let's see. I'll put that to the side. This is Mannequin. Oh, this is a nude lipstick. That's nude. Probably matte too. Let's swatch this. It's almost similar to my tan. Okay, so that's the color so far with the lip liner. That's actually really pretty. I like that. I'm gonna put that in my stash over here. So that's Mannequin. And then the next one I have as well. Like I said, I got the premium box, and it's in the premium. It was only in the premium box and in the deluxe box. So this is the mystery question mark, and actually I named it Enigma, because isn't Enigma like a riddle? I'm probably not. I don't know. I just remember Batman, and that's what comes to mind. They all smell. So this is that mystery color. There it is. So there's the running theme of those pinks. But this is mine. I will put that back, and then this is the new one. I like the way they did this because this is a pop of color, which is that mystery color, and so is my shirt. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this, and I'm not gonna open it because I don't want the countdown to start, because there's only a 12 months on here, although we know we all keep it more than 12 months. There's a packaging. I love this green. I love the lime green. The next thing we are pulling out of there is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Lip Scrub, and this is in the flavor or scent of Peach Popsicle. So there you go. And that's the front. Anyways, that's the Peach Popsicle. That's the top. Ooh, this smells so good. Oh, it's kind of hard. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like peach Jolly Ranchers, but this one's a little, I guess you have to like press it in there. Oh my god, it tastes good. It reminds me of, now I want a peach Jolly Rancher. Do they even still make them, peach Jolly Ranchers? Oh, it's so good right now. So that's the lip scrub. It tastes good. And then we have Supreme Frost Highlighting Powder Hypothermia. You know, I liked everything in this box. I think Jeffree Star, you redeemed yourself with this one. Oh, it's got the crown. You redeemed yourself, because I wasn't too thrilled with my premium box, and I was not thrilled with my holiday, the winter boxes. Oh, I think I got like green. I got some orange. It was just a mess. Anyways, this is the Supreme Frost. It is vegan and cruelty free. I think all his products are cruelty free. And then look at that. It's like it's plastic. That is plastic, and it's chrome, which is beautiful. Oh my god. Look at this color. Look at that. This is like really nice. I hate to use it. I'm such a dork. That is so pretty. I don't know if I should put some on. Should I put some on? Should I put some on? Sure. Why not? I just don't like my double-sided mirror to show. And yes, I use this as a... Or should I put on my... Oh, you probably won't be able to see it on top of this one that I have on. Let me do my end. There we go. Oops, Jeffree Star, I put you on top of Manny. I have Manny's highlight on. Oh well. Shade. I have Manny's highlight on. Anyways, that is really pretty. And let's see, can you see it on my hand? I don't know if you can see it. I can't see my monitor from where I'm at. Isn't that pretty? I actually like this one a lot. I like it. I liked everything in my box. And the next thing is the t-shirt. Let's see what t-shirt we have. Look at that. I like this. I like that it's fluorescent. Oh, big ass t-shirt. But I've been exercising, everybody, so hopefully I'll get smaller. So that's the fluorescent green. And then the back. Hi, how are ya? All I need is a mirror. I don't have a Jeffree Star mirror, but that's actually cool. You know, you never... One day, the day that I don't buy a mystery box is the day he puts in a palette. So, but no palettes in here, so we did get 10 items. So we got the t-shirt, which is 1. We have the lip liner, which is 2. The Supreme Frost, which is 3. The pop socket, 4. The straw, 5. The peach popsicle, 6. Mannequin, 7. Poinsettia, 8. Diva, 9. And of course the question mark Enigma, 10. So that was everything in my box, which I am so happy for. I'm actually really happy I was able to get this box, but I was on it, man. It was like a minute, and I had forgotten. It was like a minute after he launched, I was done put everything in the cart, did the checkout. It did tell me to like wait in line or blah blah blah, and then I was on my phone, and then I was gonna get on my computer and do it, but my phone went through. Put in my shipping and all that information in, and 5 minutes after the hour, I got an email confirming that I had purchased it. And then Monday, it told me it was being shipped, and then I got it. So Jeffree Star, you have redeemed yourself this time around. Thank you very much. And let me know in the comment section, did you get this box? If you had any horror stories, what was your horror stories? Because I've had those too, especially buying Jordans. But comment down below. Let me know what's going on. Platícame, gente, ¿qué le está pasando? So anyways, till next time, hasta laters.